Need to back up your space captain's progress in Starpoint Gemini 2 or restore an old save? Those SGS files hold every ship credit and conquest you've earned. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage these save game files properly. Just a reminder, the whole point of the final segment is to show you the efficiency of using one specialized SGS file analysis tool that eliminates the need for dozens of format-specific utilities. Gamers encounter SGS files when they want to manage their progress in the space simulation game, Starpoint Gemini 2. They might be looking for the file's location to create a manual backup, transfer it to another computer, or potentially use a third-party editor to modify game state data. The SGS file is likely a proprietary binary format containing serialized game data. This structure stores player stats, ship locations, quest progress, and world state. The binary design is chosen for performance, preventing easy user modification, and protecting the integrity of the game's progression system. The industry standard application for SGS is considered to be Starpoint Gemini 2 from Little Green Men Games. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows cannot display scripting or binary game data, so proper handling requires the original engine. Begin the search for the correct program. Right-click the SGS file and choose Open With. Use Starpoint Gemini 2 first if available. If it's absent, select another application. Keep testing until the SGS file opens successfully. If the SGS file is still refusing to open, it's expected. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, loading save games. Launch Starpoint Gemini 2 through Steam and select Load Game from the main menu. The game lists available SGS save files with timestamps and locations. Select the desired save to resume gameplay from the recorded state with full progression intact. Next, backing up saves. Locate the save folder, typically at Documents Starpoint Gemini 2 Air Saves, on Windows. Copy SGS files to a backup location or cloud storage to preserve progress. Steam Cloud automatically synchronizes saves if Cloud Sync is enabled in Game Properties. Finally, transferring between PCs. Copy the SGS file to the same saves directory on the destination computer, ensuring matching game version and DLC installation. Launch Starpoint Gemini 2, and the transferred save appears in the Load Game menu, ready to continue from any compatible system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.